Not only did I expect more from the good senator, but I expected more from the Senate leadership. We saw that for the past 2 hearings that they've had, I really don't understand why are they spending so much time, effort, money, and resources sa mga bagay-bagay na wala namang katotohanan. In fact, yung credibility ng witness is questionable. The point raised by Senator Chis Escudero is excellent. The point was the leak of the document. So why are we talking about personalities in the document? So those are two different issues that needs to be addressed. Kasi kung leak lang, edi sana tinanong natin sino ang lumabas, paano ito nailabas, sino ang mga tao may kinalaman sa paglabas ng dokumento. Eh nagdamay-damay ka pa ng mga personalidad at mga pangalan doon